Hi, welcome to Howstuffinmycarworks channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the oil in a Nissan Hardbody, and while we're at it, go ahead and change the air filter. Go ahead and put your vehicle up on ramps, or you can lift the vehicle with a floor jack and then support the vehicle with jack stands. Make sure and apply the parking brake and put blocks behind your back rear tires to keep the vehicle from rolling. Start by placing the oil drain pan underneath the vehicle. While the oil's draining underneath, go ahead and find out where your oil filter is. Ours is right here. And then you're going to shift the oil pan so it's underneath the oil filter also. Once you move the drain pan, go ahead and remove your oil filter. Next, go ahead and inspect the threads on your drain plug and the gasket to make sure they are in good working order, and this one is, so we'll just go ahead and reinstall this. Before installing the new oil filter, put a coat of engine oil here on the sill, and go ahead and put a little bit of engine oil inside so that when you reinstall it on its side, it won't all spill out, and when the engine starts, it won't start dry. Alright, now we're going to add oil to the engine. Go ahead and take the oil filler cap off. Put a funnel in and fill it up. We're going to put about 4 quarts in so we don't overfill it. Before you lower the truck, turn the engine on and look for any oil leaks. If there's none, you can go ahead and lower the vehicle and let it sit for a few minutes. After you let the truck sit for a few minutes, go ahead and check the oil level, and if needed, go ahead and put more oil in the vehicle. Next, we're going to replace the air filter. Go ahead and remove these. And unclip the clips. And put the new one on. Put it all back together. And that's it. And that's how easy it is to do an oil change and a filter change on a Nissan Hardbody. Thanks for watching. See you next time.